Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 3T10 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, because thanks to this you can simply reduce the chances that you will have to pay for downloading something. So after making sure that you've got the internet connection, simply enter the Play Store. Of course, if you're not currently signed in, you will have to do it right now, and then simply tap on this circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device, and here let's enter Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device, and if you want to check the updates, just tap on Updates, Available. And here in my case I've got 22 apps which I can update, and basically all we have to do right now is to simply find the updates and mark them. So let me update the clock, for example, the contacts, maybe Gmail and Google Calendar. That was a misclick. Google Calendar. Okay, I've got 4 different updates, and if you're ready, of course you can mark all of them or mark only one, just that's your choice. And then that was a misclick again. Just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, the updates will be downloaded, and after that time they will be successfully installed and automatically applied. So your device will automatically update the apps. You don't have to do anything more. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your ALCATEL 3T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.